Hello everybody. I know it's been a month since I did my last video, and yeah, well, it's been a month. So I wanted to show you a quick I wanted to really get you a quick video on something I'm working on. I'm tearing down some packs, some 18650 packs for an upcoming project. That project will have to deal with the sun. If you get that, put it down in the comments. Let me know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'll tell you in just a minute what that means. So I tore down some packs using, I didn't have any gloves, so I had to be very careful. I used some Nino's pliers and a regular screwdriver to pop open these packs and to break open the cells. I don't know exactly what cells these are. They say TE4T 4B9 on it. And then underneath there it has 059826. So I'm not sure what exactly cells these are. I'm going to have to look up DIY Powerwall's community forum page in the Facebook and ask around and see what that is. I will put the link for that below as well, so that way you guys can visit, because that's an awesome page an awesome group in Facebook to visit to learn more about 18650s and Powerwalls and whatnot, like I'm doing. But what I want to do with this is I am actually going to be using this guy here. This is a 5-volt, 1-watt solar panel. Yep, that's right, 5-volt, 1 watt. Well, I've been testing it using some wires, some thick wires, and what I came to learn is it's not a 1 watt. 5.2 volts, which I understand because there's no load on it. But, I mean, when there was a load on it, I was getting 5.2, 5-volt, 2 on open circuit, and 5.04. Yes, 5.04 using when there's a load on it. So what I want to do with that is attach this solar cell, and again, this is not a 1 watt. I was told it was a 1 watt. It was all a lie. The eBay seller actually skipped town, and eBay refunded half of my money back, which I was happy about, and I get to keep this one. So I want to also add a TP4050 charger. And what that will do is take the 5-volt in and drop it down to the 18650 voltage, which is 3.7 nominal or 4.1, 4.2 full charge. That will let me charge that, and then I'm going to add a 5-volt 3.3 to 4 volt out to a 5-volt regulator that will let me charge a cell phone with it at a half watt, coming through the panel. And then I'm not sure what these batteries are, if these are either 2200 or 2800 milliamps. I'm not sure. I'll have to find that out, and then I should be able to get a full charge, maybe 2 charges off the cell phone, before they have to recharge. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be attaching it to this one right here. I did add a lot of glue because I was going to be using this for another project. So I'm going to end up taking this off, putting that on there. And in an upcoming video, I will show you how this all is going to tie together with something I'm going to be using. Something new and something cool. Anyway, for now, that is it. Have a good one, everybody. Until the next video, stay tuned. Goodbye.